Right, what we've done here, sorry for the background noise, is we've took the wheel off the car. Well, we did actually take it to a tyre fitter, and anyway, he took the wheel off and he found these little beautiful chappies here. I don't know if you can see them. So you've got a crack there and a crack there. But we bought the car like this. I've never in my life actually cracked an alloy wheel. So it just shows you it's the way people drive them, hitting potholes, not dodging them, the usual crap. So like I said, if it was looked after, these cracks would never even exist. So a lot of strain on the wheel. Curbs is another thing that they do. Hence why these cracks end up existing. So we've ripped the wheel off and we're going to go and take it over the tyre fitting place now to rip the tyre off, and then it's going over to one of the local guys to have the welding done. If he's going to do for free, I would have given him a shout out, but he's not. So, but hopefully his welds are as good as what people say. So like I said, I'll do another video when it comes back through. So we'll send the wheel on its way now. What do you think, Caden? Yeah, good job. Alright, go on here, man. You can get that in.
Are you jumping in as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not letting me.
You've seen Rocky, haven't you? He doesn't use gym equipment. He lifts wheels and wheelbarrows. You can do it. You're going to have to sign a disclaimer just in case you put your back out, okay? I said he'd have to sign a disclaimer just in case he puts his back out. He's a strong lad, he can do that. Bend from your knees. There we go. There we go. See? And she's in, on our way. Let's go, get yourself in, my friend. I'll go, my friend. You wanted videos, Sean?
Welcome to the sexy garage. What's this one?
There's your wheel. Okay. There's the non-genuine Audi wheel. You know that's an Audi wheel.
Wow.
Told you it was.
You didn't know, did you?
Yeah, you saying the other day he was going, no, that ain't genuine. I said it is.
No, because 9 times out we tend to take the genuines off and put the copies on.
Yeah, I know. But look at that. I've marked it up for him. Crack, pound times.
He's going to come and pick it up from you, he said, in the morning.
Right. Do I just put penises on there?
Yeah. I would.
Who's doing that?
Don't know, yeah. So far I've only found 2 cracks.
Well, the trouble is when he does that, it'll come along here.
Oh yeah, of course it will.
How we doing? Good.
I brought the mussels from Brussels.
In case you get any chip. Yeah. So he's coming in the morning for that?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
messaged saying he'll pick it up some point tomorrow, but probably early morning, so, and then he'll give me a ring when it's done. Do I have to get back up and then bring it back to you?
Well, he'll do it. He'll drop it back off. He'll build it up and then just pick it up properly.
Oh, cool.
So I'll just pay him.
You just say, just do one.
Yeah, I like the sound of that.
Do one, nice, I'll take that.
You can donate the channel. Free welding.
Yeah.
I like
Free
it.
advertising.
Yeah.
Get put money walk out, done there. So that's favour for favour, isn't it?
No bad idea,
Is
actually.
that one of them ones where I keep...
We've got to tell you there if one needs to go on.
Yeah, what do you put on?
Yeah, it's going to be. Yeah, you're going to be the star.
I'm alright, I love it, mate.
You do know if the views start going up with your face, and I'm going to be around harassing your ass. Get more views.
You?
I know.
Ryan is no cards visible.
No, there's no cords.
So all I do with that, right, is put super glue on it.
I've got another tyre. I've got exactly the same one at home.
Actually, yeah, bring it in.
Yeah,
Split that.
do that. Alright, just put a mark on the tyre then, and just because I've got a spare one there.
Yeah, fit it in, just drop it off tomorrow, and when the wheel comes back, I'll put it on.
Because we ripped it off the spare, didn't we?
Yeah.
I wouldn't probably say that.
Yeah, it's like a really good tyre, no?
Yeah, I'll send it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Lovely.
What time do you start tomorrow?
Now we've got an RS4 taking garage space. It's up on the ramp. I'm hoping there's another wheel in the back of the S8. Yeah, I think there is. I think it's the last of the wheel carriers before it starts them stupid punchy repair kits.
That was good.
I know.
Yeah, we can sort that out.
Well, thank you very much.
That's beauty, that is.
Oh, yeah.
I've never ever, this is the first car, right? Think of all the cars I've had over time. A lot. Yeah. This is the first one that I've actually had cracked wheels with.
You know what, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It's the Skyline.
Yeah.
119.
Absolutely brilliant, nothing.
No?
Had hundreds of cars, not one wheel cracked. But I buy this off someone that's wheels.
Yeah, it's already done before you've done it, though,
Yeah, he's hit something with that hard, hasn't he?
I have that potholes, but sometimes I put the run flats on, the run flats, they normally knock them off as well. Too spending there,
Yes, I noticed that. And it's like a
That's
dimple.
breaking up, that's inside, coming away. Too much power. The tyres can't control the power. Continent up, just can't keep up. Probably explain that as well.
I think that's curb rubbing,
Yeah.
to be fair. Because every other wheel is like this.
Yeah.
Like every wheel.
Right. Because if that was the same on this side, that would be splice joint.
Yeah,
It's not.
no.
That's breaking up. So yeah, and hang on. There you go.
There, he's had a repair.
He's got a dodgy repair, no wonder it's gone like that.
Yeah. I'll drop the other tyre back off if you want.
Yeah, do
Yeah.
that.
Exactly the same tyre.
We'll do
Yeah.
that now and then at least you've got it ready, haven't you?
In that way, if you do that, then you know it's safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's fucking hell, he's made a right pixie of that, hasn't he?
Yeah. Done a job though, told.
For the time being.
Yeah, we drove to Birmingham and that.
Yeah, well,
Easy
we
going on.
drove mega slow, to be fair, didn't we? Because I didn't trust it. Because it had a Lambert issue, which it's still got. It's like,
I've
it's,
got Lambert with that one as well. Bank 1, sensor 2.
yeah, that's
I was
what,
waiting for
Bank 1 sensor 1. It's pre-cat,
Man's on that one. But it's only
so it's a cheaper one.
It's a Journey one, it's not 400 quid.
What, for that? Really?
From Honda, genuine Honda, 400 quid. I can get it.
It's normally the pre-cats that are normally the ones that are the most expensive. Right, we got the wheel back from another guy that, well, the first guy that was going to do the wheel, knows what happened to him. He pulled out, left us high and dry, but we had a knight in shine armour, a lad called Nathan that we know. Big shout out to him for doing this, because he's absolutely saving bacon. Anyway, he's welded a wheel up for us, so what we're doing now is just grinding it back in layers with the Dremel. Obviously trying not to go too far with it, because if you go too far you get air leaks and yada flat spots, so we're trying to avoid that as much as possible. And I ain't got a lathe here to deal with it, so it's all by hand. So I'll just show you what we do to take it down. The bits that we're using at the minute are proper milling bits, so I'll just bring that down there. So if you actually look at these bits here, look at buying full packs for your Dremel. If you have a look at them, you've got cutting, you've got rounded tip ends, you've got pointed tip. Just getting all these little nuts and crannies that you wouldn't able normally to get into. The ones that we're using are these. I don't know if you can see it. It's got like little veins each way. One goes left, one goes right.